Good morning to one and all. Today I would like to explain the concept of evaluation of Boolean expressions by using truth tables. The evaluation of Boolean expressions by using truth table basically to use logical operations. These logical operations can be performed by different variables. For example, x, y, z, a, b, c are the Boolean variables. The combination of these variables are very much useful for designing the logical operations. The best example of logical operations are and, or, and not or inverted. These logical operations are used to design the truth tables. For example, logical variables are combined by means of logical operators and, are, and not to form a Boolean expressions. For example, x plus y dot z plus z is a Boolean expression. Boolean expressions are designed with the help of different logical variables. You know that x, y, z, a, b, c, like that. These are the logical variables. These variables are used for designing the expressions. So that means Boolean expressions. It is often convenient to show x dot y dot z to xyz. And using this convention, above expression can be written as x plus y plus z. This is the logical expression or Boolean expression. Clearly to observe, to study a Boolean expression, it is very useful to construct a table of values for the variables and then to evaluate the expressions. For each of the table, combination of variables in the term. Consider the expression x plus yz. Here, three variables are used. In the truth table, x column is there, y column is there, and z column is there. For example, to evaluate the expression x plus yz, this is the OR operation. But here to use three variables, basically to use two variables only, but here to use three variables x, y, z. To construct the logical truth table, x column is there, y column is there, z column is there. The fourth column is your expression x plus yz. Here to form 8 columns, 8 rows, not columns. That means 3 variables are used on the two binary values 0 and 1. That is 2 cube equal to 8 possible ways are there. These 3 variables to construct a truth table. When x is equal to 0, y equal to 0, z is equal to 0. X plus yz is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y equal to 1, and then z is equal to 1, the output gets 1. When x is equal to 1, y equal to 0, z is equal to 0, then output gets 1. Because the fundamental statement for OR operation is, when we are giving 3 inputs, any one of the input is 1, the output gets 1. That is the fundamental statement for OR expression or OR operation. So this is the best example for logical expressions. Possible combination of x, y and z. X 0, y 0, z 0. X 0, y 0, z 1. To construct this table, 2 power 3 is equal to 8 possible ways. In the first column, first 4 are zeros, the second 4 values are ones. The second column y is y. First two columns are 2 rows are zeros, remaining 2 rows are ones, next 2 rows are 0, next 2 rows are ones, like that. Compared to x, y, z is different. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Because here 8 possible ways are there. The 3 variables having 2 binary values, zeros and ones. That means 2 cube equal to 8 possible ways are there. Next thing, x, y, z are the 3 basic logical variables. These 3 logical variables are very much useful for designing different truth tables. For example, 2 power 0, that is equal to 1, only one variable. 2 power 1, that is equal to 2, 2 possible ways are there. 2 square, 4 possible ways are there. 2 cube, that is equal to 8 possible ways are there. These values 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, these variables can be applied on different logical operations. For example, AND, OR and NOT, NAND gate, NOR gate. These gates can be designed with the help of different logical variables. Here to use one basic formula, 2 power n. Here 2 defines how many binary values are used in the truth table. This is the important thing. You can remember that one. 2 defines how many binary values are used. 1 and 0, that's it only. Here n is the number of input variables are used in the truth table, that is the important. 2 indicates the binary, how many binary values are used in the truth table, and n defines how many input variables are used in the truth table. That is the basic formula for designing the truth tables. There are different types of truth tables are there. 1 variable truth table is there, 2 variable truth table is there, 4 variable truth table is there, and 8 values of the truth table is there. Different truth tables are used. These truth tables can be designed. The basic formula is 2 power n. Furtherly, you should learn one important concept is there, corner map. These corner map can be designed with the help of the basic formula 2 power n. Corner maps are used to reduce Boolean expressions. This is the important bit. Which mapping technology is used for reducing the Boolean expressions? Corner map, K-map, is very much useful for reducing the Boolean expressions. So next one, possible combination of x, y, z. There are different possible combinations are there. Whenever you want to use 2 cube, that is equal to 8 possible ways. Whenever you want to use 2 power 4, 16 possible ways are there. Whenever you want to use 2 square, 4 possible ways are there. That is the possible combination of x, y, z. Here x, y, z are the logical variables. So next, binary values always defines zeros and ones. For that, the base 2 is defined as how much binary variables are used in the truth table. Basically, you should use two values, that is 0 and 1. Here 0 indicates low value, 1 indicates the high value. So logical expressions are very much useful for designing different expressions. AND expression are there, OR expression are there. That means AND expressions used dot operator. But whereas in OR operation indicates the plus operator. Basically an operator is a symbol that manipulates two values. Already you know that in basic languages, that means C, C++, Java. So plus operator indicates to perform the OR operation in Boolean expressions. Dot operator is useful for performing the multiplication operation. One more operator is there, a tilde symbol. The tilde symbol are used to define the complement of its variable. For example, you should take one variable A. Its complement is A complement. When A equal to 0, A complement is equal to 1. When A equal to 1, A complement is 0. Inverter. Reverse values can be displayed on the truth table. And then here to use two basic algorithms, that is De Morgan algorithms or De Morgan theorems. De Morgan theorem, first theorem statement is the sum of complement of two variables is equal to the product of complement of those individual variables. That means A plus B whole complement is equal to A complement dot B complement. That is the De Morgan first theorem. The De Morgan second theorem is A dot B complement is equal to A complement plus B complement. Means the product of complement of two variables is equal to the sum of complement of those individual variables. These two theorems can be designed with the help of logical variables. So next one, basic logic gates. What is meant by gate? Gates are digital circuits because the input and output signals are either low voltage or high voltage. Gates are often called logic circuits because they can be analyzed with Boolean algebra. So logic gates are circuits or digital circuits. These circuits are used to take input signals and produce the output signals. Depends on the input signals, the output gets low voltage and high voltage. That denotes low voltage denotes 0, high voltage denotes 1. Gates are often called logic circuits because they can be analyzed with Boolean algebra. So that is the fundamental definition for logic gates. Basically, a logic gate is a digital circuit. These digital circuits can receive the input signals and produce the output signals. Depends on the input signals, the output gets low and high. Here, low denotes 0, high denotes 1. After Shannon applied Boolean algebra in telephone switching circuits, engineers realized that Boolean algebra could be applied to computer electronics as well. In the computers, these Boolean operations are performed by logic gates. After designing the logic gates, these logic gates are very much useful for providing different applications. One is telephone switching circuits. Engineering realized the Boolean algebra could be applied to computer electronics as well. Then railway traffic system controlled by using these logic gates, and the airlines system also controlled by the Boolean algebra. So here we should learn introduction to basic logic gates and logic. What is meant by logic gates? In another meaning, a gate is simply an electronic circuit which operates on one or more input signals to produce an output signals. So a logic gate is simply an electronic circuit which operates on one or more input values that produce digital signals. There are basically three types of logic gates are there: NOT gate or inverter, OR gate and AND gate. First one is a NOT gate. NOT gate is also called as inverter. Whenever you want to use the logic NOT gate, you can apply the operation as on a single variable to perform the complement operation itself. When a is equal to 0, a complement is 1. When a is equal to 1, a complement is equal to 0. So this is the truth table for NOT gate. NOT gate is a gate or an electronic circuit that accesses only one input and produces one output signal. The output statement always the complement of the input statement. Once again, NOT gate is a gate, an electronic circuit that accepts one input value and produces one output values. The output is always the complement of the input state. The output state is always the complement of input state. That is the basic statement of NOT gate. Once again, NOT gate is a logic circuit or electronic circuit that accepts only one input signal and produces only single output signals. The output statement is always the complement of the input statement. So that is the basic statement of NOT gate. Second one is OR gate. An OR gate is an electronic circuit that accepts two input signals and produces two output signals. The output statement depends on two input variables. Whenever the two input values a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, a plus b gets 0. That is the first case. The second case is when a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, the output is 1 because a plus b, here 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Case 3. When a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0. Expression a plus b is equal to 1 because 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Case number 4. When a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, the expression a plus b equal to 1 because a is equal to 1 plus b 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. This is the fundamental truth table for the OR gate. An OR gate is a logic circuit or an electronic circuit that accepts two input signals and produces two output signals. The output statement always depends on the input statement, two statements. The truth table for OR gate is first column A, second column B, third column is the logic expression A plus B. When a equal to 0, b is equal to 0, a plus b is equal to 0 because 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. When a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, a plus b is equal to 1 because 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. When a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, a plus b is equal to 1 because 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. When a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, A plus B is equal to 1 because 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. That is the basic operation of the OR gate. And the final one is AND gate. The third basic gate is AND gate. An AND gate is a logic circuit or electronic circuit that accepts two input signals and produces single output. The output of AND gate depends on two input values. Here the dot operator are used. The dot operator used for multiplying of two input values. The basic truth table for AND gate having three columns A, B, the third column is A dot B. The logic expression for AND gate is A dot B. Here case 1, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, A dot B is equal to 0. Case 2, when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, A dot B is equal to 0 because this is the product of two variables. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, A dot B gets 0. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, A dot B is equal to 1. That means 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. Once again, A, B and A dot B. A and B both are 0, the output gets, that means A dot B is equal to 0. A 0, B 1, A dot B is equal to 0. That means 0 into 1 equal to 0. When A equal to 1, B equal to 0, A dot B is equal to 0. That means 1 into 0 is equal to 0. When A equal to 1, B equal to 1, A dot B is equal to 1. That means 1 into 1 equal to 1. All these are the basic logic gates. These logic gates can be designed with the help of logic variables. The combination of logical variables are very much useful for designing the basic gates. This concept is called evaluation of Boolean expressions by using truth table. Okay students, thank you.